See that? Okay, I think Amazon is coming, but do you see? My things for my apples are coming. Hold on. There's the package. I already gave you your treats when I took the trash out. Ooh. The Amazon guy was petting the cats. I wonder if they're in the picture when they take the picture of the package. Oh, I gotta come out there. I already gave you a treat. Oh, the babies ran away. Oh. Oh my goodness. Yeah, she got a chickmunk. Another one. Another chickmunk. Stop getting those little chickmunks. Hi. Anybody in the tree? They're in the tree this morning. What you got? What you got? Oh. All right. No, you can't have them every day. Not every day. See if there's some over here. I threw some over for this one. Nope, they found them. Bumblebee, Bumblebee. My goodness. Oh my God, are they talking about JP? I don't know. Stay out of there. I cut the cover to get the freaking stuff you wipe the counters with, that pledge or whatever it's called. Stay out of there. Under the sink. He's trying to get under there. Oh, he's over there. Bye.